Good morning, YouTubers. This is our first design of the week after next. This is another band coin. This one will be AC/DC. We're working on one right now for Queen that is just going to be phenomenal. I like them all, don't get me wrong, but the detail that's going to be coming out on the Queen one is just going to blow you away. At least I hope so. Alright, here we go. Number 97 of the year. Our first design of the week after next. Alright, well, I managed to get an hour and a half sleep anyhow. Yeah. But I did lay there for almost 3. Huh. I really raised that part. Huh. There you go, there's AC/DC. Check it out, clean it up, get painted, get this video posted. Alright, here we go. I'm going to have to hit this side again. We had some rain come in here. I kind of speckled it up there. Other than that, there we go. This is our first design of the week after next. Our AC/DC coin. I like it. If you liked the design, enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.